In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to GitHub commit. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner in the world of coding, making contributions to a project through commits is a fundamental skill. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process using simple and easy-to-follow instructions, ensuring you feel confident by the end. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head to the search bar. Simply type in GitHub and hit Enter. This will lead you to the GitHub homepage, where you can either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Creating an account is straightforward, but if you already have one, simply enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, GitHub Desktop will be your ally in automatically tracking changes in your local repository. This dynamic application allows you to manage your changes seamlessly, simplifying the workflow significantly. If GitHub Desktop isn't already installed, you might want to do that first before we proceed further. This tool will save you a lot of hassle and keep everything organized as you work through your code. After you've made changes to your project locally, it's time to commit them. You will see a commit message field. Here, it's essential to provide a concise and descriptive message that clearly summarizes the changes you have made. This is important, as it helps both you and your collaborators understand the purpose of the commit at a glance. If necessary, you can add more detailed information in the Extended Description field to capture the finer details of your code alterations. Next up, you need to decide where to apply these changes. You have two options: commit directly to the main branch or create a new branch. Committing directly to the main branch keeps things straightforward, but if you're working on something experimental or substantial, creating a new branch and starting a pull request might be the way to go. This allows for easier tracking and review of your changes before they get integrated into the main codebase. Once you've made your decision between the main branch or a new branch, look for the Commit Changes button and click it. By clicking this, your changes are committed to your repository, completing the process. This step seals your hard work and makes it part of the project, ready for others to see and collaborate on further. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed walkthrough of making a commit on GitHub. With this skill under your belt, you're well on your way to managing projects more effectively and collaborating with others on exciting coding adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding!